Welcome back to Smokies Plus. Right here at the very end of the Roaring Fork Motor Nature Trail. It comes out here, and I'm sure you've come through here before. You've seen these buildings, but have you stopped to see what's inside? We're gonna do that today here at Ely's Mill. Let's get started. So they do have a couple of cabins that you can rent. This is one of them, right on the end. So the Roaring Fork Motor Nature Trail ends right here. So this is where you'll come out. So this is a place that you can stop. You can get something to drink. They do have some various things here, but as we just showed you, you can also stay here. Now she said this one's only $125 a night plus tax, but she's saying it's currently booked out like a year and a half in advance, but sometimes they have cancellations. But what a cool looking place. And then the other one, she said they have is right across the creek here, so you'd be able to stay for Ed for 160. This brown one here. And man, if you did, what a peaceful place. Just come and relax. And one last thing I wanted to point out, so there's the entrance to the little shop. There's the cabin I was showing you, and right here is, they labeled it an outhouse, but they do have restrooms here. So if you're coming from Roaring Fork and like us, you've been like dying to use the restroom, they do have some limited parking here right off to the side where you can come in and use the restroom. And you can get your limited edition Ellie's Mill, Flattened Pennies, Clingman Dome, Grotto Falls, Great Smokies, Roaring Fork, and Rainbow Falls, all right here as well. Yeah, the restrooms, man, that's huge. All right, so that's Ellie's Mill here, right on the backside of Roaring Fork. As soon as you come out, I mean, we've passed it, I don't even know how many times.
Dozens of times we have.
And you've never stopped either?
Never stopped. This is the first time, yeah.
Yeah, so for me, like the restroom, that's a huge thing. We've been coming out, tree branch just fell.
Oh my gosh.
Giant.
Yeah, we have some really big wind right now.
But like for me, we've been coming out, and we're just dying, needing to stop somewhere for either a drink or to be able to use the restroom. So both of those things you can get.
Perfect space for that. And the big thing about this, we had a long conversation with the owners in here, and their family owned this property before the formation of the park. So this is something, they're really focused on history. We had a long conversation about the history of Gatlinburg and trying to preserve that, and they did a really excellent job here at Ellie's Mill doing that. They said that they feel like that they do a service to the park, they do a service to visitors, and they really appreciate stopping by, using the restrooms, going to check out. They were spinning stuff in there. They had a bunch of handmade crafts. They have stuff to eat. So, really good stop.
Good stop for the weary traveler.
Yeah.
As you're coming out of the national park there. So, Ellie's Mill. Check it out the next time you come through Roaring Fork. And actually, if you want to check it out, you can also come up to it the back way.
Yeah, that's a good thing to point out, because it's a two-way road up to their stores. So. You don't have to go through Roaring Fork. If you just want to come in here and check out that place, you can hit the Roaring Fork Extended up on 321, and it takes you right to it.
All right, well, this has been another video from the Great Smoky Mountains.
We hope you have a great day.
God bless.